Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to discover fresh tips for creating eye-catching posters that stand out? First, click Create, then type Poster. Select Poster Landscape for this tutorial. Next, go to Elements and search for Male Photo. Finally, click on Photos to access the available images. This sets up your workspace to customize the poster with the desired male photo element for your design. Select 3 images by clicking on each one. Ensure all 3 are highlighted before proceeding to the next step. This allows you to apply actions or edits to the selected images together. Confirm your selection to continue with the process efficiently. Use the background remover for each image by selecting them one at a time. Since multi-select isn't available for this feature, remove backgrounds individually. After that, add a partition to your design. This will help organize content visually and separate sections clearly within your project layout. Click File, then Settings, and select Show Ruler Guides. Rulers will appear around your design area. Click and drag the ruler guides into your design to create precise alignment lines. These guides help you position elements accurately, ensuring your layout is perfectly aligned and visually balanced. Let's adjust the layout. If you notice any imbalance in partitioning, start refining the design. Begin by resizing the image to make it smaller. Continue adjusting elements as needed to achieve a balanced composition. This approach helps ensure the design is visually appealing and proportionate. Keep modifying each section until the overall layout feels harmonious and well structured. Duplicate the selected item by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Repeat this step for the last item as well. Once duplicated, position and adjust each copy as needed. Ensure all duplicates are aligned properly to maintain consistency. This method speeds up your workflow by replicating elements quickly. Continue applying this duplication process throughout your project to efficiently manage repetitive tasks and save time during editing. Select the larger shape, then type Blur, and choose the blur effect. Next, go to Graphics and select this line. You can rotate the line to fit your design. Adjust the position as needed to create a dynamic effect. This technique adds depth and focus to your project by softening background elements while emphasizing key features. Experiment with rotation and blur intensity for the best result. Apply a blur effect to this area. To increase its intensity, duplicate the blur effect. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for a frame. Select a frame that fits your design, then drag it onto your project. Adjust the size and position as needed to enhance your visual layout effectively. Continue refining until satisfied with the overall look. Click on the frame to select it. Next, try dragging the element into the frame directly. If it doesn't work, select the element and group it by clicking the Group button or pressing Ctrl+G. Once grouped, try dragging the entire group into the frame again. This method ensures all parts stay together inside the frame. If needed, adjust the group's position within the frame by dragging it. Grouping elements before moving them into frames helps maintain organization and makes it easier to manage complex designs. Use this technique for efficient layering and alignment. First, remove the blur effect from the stroke style. Next, place the blur element where you need it in the design. After positioning, bring the blur element to the front to ensure it appears above other layers. This order helps you control the visual effect precisely. Adjust the placement as needed to achieve the desired look. Following these steps ensures that the blur enhances your design without interfering with other elements. First, enlarge the object by dragging its corner outward. Next, use the keyboard arrows to move it down slightly. Then, open the position settings and adjust the vertical position to move the object directly over the blur effect. Now, the first image is properly aligned and complete. To create a duplicate of this image, locate the duplicate option usually found in the Edit menu or by right-clicking the object. Click Duplicate to create an exact copy. You can then select and reposition the duplicated image as needed to continue building your design. This method ensures consistency and saves time when working with multiple similar elements in your project. Duplicate the image on this side as well. Drag it into position and click Done. Repeat this by duplicating, dragging, adjusting the location, and clicking Done again. Next, copy the first step and paste it here. Change the color to red on this copy. Then, copy it once more and paste it again. Finally, change this last copy's color to yellow. This sequence creates a visual progression by adjusting colors and positioning duplicated images. Make sure each duplicate is properly aligned before confirming. Continue applying these methods for additional steps if needed to maintain consistency and clarity in your design. Now, proceed with the next action as planned. Go to Position Layers, then drag the image and place it above the red blur layer. Next, move the image and position it on top of the yellow blur layer. This creates our final design. You can also customize the background color to better suit your style or project needs. Adjusting these elements gives you control over the look and feel of your design quickly and easily. To gray out the area, first select the Limits panel. Next, add some spark elements by clicking the plus icon and choosing sparks from the list. Position the sparks so they appear behind the main image. To do this, select the spark layer, then adjust its order by dragging it below the image layer. Use the position tool to fine-tune the placement of the sparks, ensuring they are aligned properly within the Limits panel. This creates a subtle background effect that enhances the overall design without overpowering the image. Make sure the sparks remain visible but unobtrusive by adjusting their opacity if needed. Once satisfied, save your changes and preview the animation to see the spark elements. This is our poster design for this tutorial. Click the Share button, then select Download. Before downloading, increase the size to ensure the best quality. Once you have adjusted the size to your preference, click the Download button to save the poster to your device. This process guarantees you receive the highest resolution version of your design for use in any project or presentation. Now you know how to create a unique poster design in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.